So I caught this dandy, nice pounder. So get back to you with my fish.
Got it. Okay, so it's on video. Okay.
Okay, I got one on right here. I missed two in this spot. I think it's a small one. Yeah, he's not very big. Maybe a pound. Same as the last one, maybe. Yeah, this one's short, though.
That's a nice one, Brady.
Yeah, right to the top of the lip. Oh, enough. And a nice one. Oh,
Yep, he's a fighter.
A nice one.
Yeah.
Throw back.
Nice one.
Got another one out here. Hold it. One more. Wait. This is a small one. Oh, he's not as bad as I thought he was. Smallest one of the day. Right there.
Yep.
Let's see what the next fish. Caught this small bass. I think this one might be the nicest one of the day. I don't know why. Oh, barely hooked. Nice one. That one too big today.
Yep.
Nice one. See, now it's three. Got one. Ooh, wow, we're rolling too. Nice little one. Reel it. See how we want to hook them? This one's the smallest one of the day. Nice little one. Got another one hooked up. It's bigger than the last one. Well, maybe not. This place right here is like a stack. Jeez, calm down. The next one. I'm done. Oh, yeah.
That one?
Oh, right button.
Oh, yep.
Is it going?
Yep.
Got a little bass here. Oh, he's gonna go under. I actually sight fished this one. Well, I didn't see him. I just cast it and saw him take it. This is probably the second biggest one
That's
of
a
the day.
nice dark one.
Just lost him. Ouch! This is probably the biggest one of the day, maybe.
Yeah, that's
Nice
a
one.
big one.
So guys, these next videos will be a different day of fishing, but I'm still using the Senko. I got this 1 pounder.
Hi.
Missed him 2 or 3 times, but let's get the release.
Oh, fishy.
There he goes, going right under the dock. Hopefully we get the next fish, so we'll be back with the next fish. Okay, I'm hooked up. A little bass. This is where I was about to leave too.
And he took your homework.
No, he didn't. It's right there, Mason.
Oh.
So we're gonna get the release on this fish too. Same as the last one. Ooh. Got him. Hooked him pretty good.
Let them fish of Brady's life.
Nuh-uh, I've caught way more than 2 fish.
In the weed.
Oh, Mason fishing over there.
I haven't caught 1 fish.
Oh, finally. Here's the release.
I don't catch him.
It goes right into the dock.
Now it is.
Oh, I got a bass. Shoot, I gotta go get him. It's right here, but I got a bass. Yes, I got him. Gosh, I need to turn up the. I need to turn it up.
Ugh.
A little bass here. Glen Hills. I see one down there. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh dang, I better unhook this bass. I'm fine.
That's our worry wart grandma, just so you know.
Well, here's a nice pounder. How am I gonna throw him back? Mason, hold this rod. Do not cast it. Do not cast it. Okay, you can check the video. Oh, I just caught this 2-pounder.
Yep.
Don't got a scale, but I'm guessing it's 2 pounds. It's a really nice one.
Yeah, he's a nice.
And now I'm gonna let him go. There's tons of bass down here. We moved spots. Oh, there he goes. Shoot, better always make sure the bass is good in the water. Don't just let him, gosh dang it, bass. Calm down. Here's the bass.
And the bro is coming down.
Nice 2-pounder maybe. There he goes. I can see him right now. Swam off, but.
Brady, I'm down here.
Cut. See the next fish.
Really nice bass.
He's a nice one.
Lift him up. Oh yeah, nice pounder. Isn't this your biggest bass ever?
Yeah, he took you home.
That's fine. We can go get another one. Oh geez. Oh geez. Here, wanna hold the camera, Mason? Don't let it go. Hold this. Hold it. This is Mason's bass. There's tons of bass down here. Probably said that before, but. Mason, how old are you?
6.
And how many bass have you caught with me?
A lot.
Yeah. Okay, Mason, lip him, okay?
Okay.
You know how to lip him, right?
Yep. This is my nice bass.
Oh, geez. Oh, make sure he gets going. Here, I'll let him go.
I got him.
Second bass right down here in the spot. There he goes. Cast it out there. Reel in a little bit. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Stop right there, stop right there. Oh, Mason, shark! Holy crap, Mason, you got a big one. Mason, oh, I was recording too! Mason's got another one on, just the next cast. Whew, nice job, Mason! Second bass of the day. Here, Mason, hold this.
He took my worm.
So we can go get more.
Yeah.
3rd bass down in this spot. It's just crazy every time you cast, isn't it, Mason?
Yep.
This is his first cast with that bait on, isn't it?
Yep.
Catches a really nice bass. Oh, there he goes. Did he go?
And there goes my fish.
Did he go?
Bye.